Vantrue and their Element 1 dash cam. This has a really unique feature where it sticks on with a magnet, so you can pull it off really easily. It also gives you 2K recording, which is crystal clear at 30 frames per second. You have voice control, Wi-Fi, and app control. Plus, there's a wireless remote controller if you quickly want to send a video clip to storage to make sure it can't be overwritten if it's an important video clip. You've also got a circular polarizer filter in order to cut down reflections from your windshield while you're recording on your dash cam. As you can see on the app, you can preview, you can also trigger recordings from there. There is a screen on the Element 1, and Vantrue also micro SD cards to get you up and running. So the cool thing with this mounting setup is that the power plugs into the mount rather than the camera. So the camera remains removable so you can take it with you and not leave it exposed and hooked up. You're not gonna need to plug it back in and fiddle with a cable each time you want to attach it. So here is the camera unit in the navy blue color. This is your mounting point. We have a button here for triggering a recording. We've also got our micro SD card slot. There's 3 buttons on the bottom, which are gonna allow you to navigate the interface on the display. There's also a microphone in that location, and there's a Type-C port if you wanna remove the camera completely, view or save your video clips directly to your computer. Of course, you'll also have the option to just remove the micro SD card and then plug that into the full-size SD card and read your video files that way. This is the little wireless remote control in order to save a video clip into your permanent storage. There's a little LED indicator as well to let you know you've triggered it, and a 3M sticky strip so you can put it in a discrete location and it will always be in the same spot. Now with a dash cam, they're always recording, but the way this works is it will overwrite previous footage on the SD card when it fills up. So the reason that it's key to trigger permanent recordings is if there's an actual incident that takes place to ensure that that footage doesn't get overwritten. We even have protected stickers so people know that they're being recorded. Now what's nice about this 12 volt is you've still got another USB-A port, so you're gonna be able to charge up a secondary device as well. So this is gonna be on your windshield, and then the camera is simply going to slide in like that. And the magnet is strong enough to hold it in place, and it simply slides out. So the beauty here is that you can take your camera with you, either to offload footage, or maybe you just want to put it in a more discreet location. Now the beauty of the polarizing filter is it will dramatically cut down on reflections that you're seeing from your windshield bouncing back into the dash cam. Now you're gonna have usable 2K footage without the distraction of those reflections. Thank you again to Vantrue and the Element 1 for sponsoring this episode. If you're looking for a dash cam, then definitely look at this product. Check the description for all the relevant details.